Bonjour! Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? This is what we're doing today. And you're going to find a little poem I wrote for you, as well as a short exercise. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? We're going to use expressions starting with il fait. It's the same il fait you have in fait-il. Il fait beau. The weather is nice. Il fait beau. But the weather can be really bad. Il fait mauvais. The weather is bad. Il fait chaud. Be careful, the D is silent. Il fait chaud. It's hot. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. The D is silent here as well. It means it's cold. Be careful with it's cold and it's hot. You can only use il fait chaud and il fait froid for the weather. Quel temps fait-il? Now we are going to use expressions with il y a, which means there is or there are. But before using il y a, let's look at some words. The first one, soleil. Soleil, which is sun. Brouillard. Brouillard, which is fog. Nuage. Nuage, which is cloud. And we have soleil, brouillard, nuage, which we could use with il y a. So let's see how those words are used. So for it's sunny, we're going to say il y a du soleil. We're going to use du, which means some. Il y a du soleil. There is some sun. It's sunny. So here we're going to use the same thing. As you can see, it's windy. We're going to say il y a du vent. Do you remember the word for brouillard, which is fog? Il y a du brouillard. It's foggy. Il y a des nuages. It's cloudy. Il y a des nuages. Have you noticed? Now we're no longer saying du but des because nuage is plural. So we're going to have des, which is some, for the plural form. Il y a des nuages. Ouh là là! Can you hear the thunder? It is called le tonnerre. Le tonnerre. And that means that we have des orages. So you could say il y a des orages. There are thunderstorms. Il y a des orages. Quel temps fait-il? Yes, it's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. Isn't that beautiful? Il neige. It's snowing. Il neige. Il gèle. It's freezing. Il gèle. Now, a poem I've written specially for you. Il fait beau et très chaud. Je bois un gros coco. Comme il fait très froid, je bois un chocolat. Il fait mauvais, il pleut. Jouons donc à un jeu. Il y a des orages, alors bye bye la plage. Quand il neige et il gèle, la nature blanche est belle. Tu sais ce qu'on attend? Après la pluie, le beau temps. And even better, un arc-en-ciel. A rainbow. Un arc-en-ciel. Quel temps fait-il? Let's see if you remember the expressions. Just look at the pictures and give us the weather. So the first one is il fait beau. Il fait beau. And the second one, which is supposed to be it's windy, il y a du vent. Il y a du vent. What about those two? So the first one is foggy. Il y a du brouillard. And the second one, it's raining. Il pleut. Il pleut. What about those last two pictures? So the first one is il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. And the last one, il neige. So we're going to finish this video with the sunset, which is le coucher du soleil. Le coucher du soleil. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir!